Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my all viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life, and please you also pray for me. I hope you are waiting my latest video. So girls, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet cat bed ideas, cat cave, beautiful cat house ideas. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety. Beautiful ideas, different designing, mind-blowing ideas, fabulous crocheting work. Fabulous crocheting work. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, paint color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, beautiful handmade knitting variety. Most demanding crochet collection. Viewers, if you want more collection about crochet, so please visit my channel. The logo is front of you. Different and mind-blowing ideas. Very nice. Some are light color, dark color, and beautiful shapes, beautiful designing, beautiful ideas about crochet cat bed. Good comment section, like and share my video, follow my channel, press the bell icon. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.